Ever found yourself caught in a cosmic dance with numbers, where every turn reveals another glimpse of the same mysterious digits? Picture this. You're navigating through the rhythms of your day, the mundane hum of life, when suddenly, there it is. 11:11, boldly emblazoned on the clock like a beacon in the night. At first, it's just a fleeting curiosity, a passing oddity in the grand tapestry of existence. But then, as if orchestrated by some unseen hand, those numbers begin to appear everywhere, etched on license plates, scribbled on receipts, even haunting the digital realms of social media with their silent insistence. It's as though the universe has chosen you as its unwitting protagonist in a grand game of cosmic charades, each recurring number a cryptic clue waiting to be deciphered. But what lies beyond this numerical veil? What deeper truths are hidden within the folds of synchronicity? Today, inspired by the timeless wisdom of Dolores Cannon, we embark on a journey into the heart of numerical mysticism, where every digit serves as a key to unlocking the secrets of existence itself. So, dear seeker, brace yourself for an odyssey into the realms of possibility, where the mundane meets the miraculous, and where the whispers of the cosmos echo in every digit. Grab hold of your magnifying glass, for the adventure of a lifetime awaits, one that promises to unravel the enigmatic messages hidden in plain sight, and perhaps illuminate the path to a deeper understanding of the universe and ourselves. All right, fellow cosmic detectives, let's delve into the mystery of numerical synchronicities. Imagine this. Amidst the hustle and bustle of your day, you glance at the clock and behold, 11:11, blinking back at you, a familiar sight that seems to follow you like a faithful companion. Or perhaps you're cruising down the highway and lo and behold, the license plate of the car ahead proudly displays 2222. These, my friends, are the echoes of numerical synchronicities, those intriguing moments when the universe whispers its secrets through the language of numbers, beckoning us to pay heed. But wait, there's more to this cosmic dance than meets the eye. Beyond mere coincidence, many spiritual seekers perceive these synchronicities as divine interventions, messages woven into the fabric of reality by a higher intelligence. It's as though the cosmos itself is orchestrating a symphony of signs, guiding us along the labyrinthine path of our spiritual evolution. In her illuminating wisdom, Cannon posits that these recurring numbers are not mere happenstance, but potent symbols of spiritual awakening and manifestation. Each digit, she suggests, carries its own unique resonance, serving as a conduit for cosmic guidance and transformation. Thus, to heed these numerical whispers is not merely an act of curiosity, but a profound communion with the universal forces that govern our existence. Cannon's insights shed light on the profound significance of these synchronicities. They are not random occurrences, but intentional proclamations from the universe, urging us to awaken to our inner power and embrace the magic that surrounds us. So the next time you encounter those recurring numbers, remember it's not chance but destiny knocking at your door, inviting you to step into the boundless realm of spiritual abundance and self-discovery. Now that we've laid the groundwork for understanding numerical synchronicities, let's embark on a cosmic journey through some of the most common patterns and their profound meanings. Get ready, because we're about to dive deep into the mysteries of numerology. First in our cosmic lineup is the enigmatic 111. Often hailed as a symbol of alignment and manifestation, 111 serves as a cosmic nudge, reminding us of our inherent power to shape our reality through our thoughts and intentions. It's a gentle whisper, urging us to focus our energy on our true desires and to trust in the process of manifestation. Next, we encounter the harmonious trio of 222. This mystical number is believed to signify harmony and balance, especially within relationships and partnerships. Whether it's fostering a romantic connection, nurturing a friendship, or fostering a professional collaboration, 222 gently encourages us to cherish the bonds that bring us joy and fulfillment, fostering unity and cooperation. Now prepare to expand your consciousness with the divine frequency of 333. Often associated with spiritual awakening and guidance from higher realms, 333 acts as a cosmic compass, guiding us along our soul's journey and offering insights from the realm of spirit. It's a clarion call to embrace our spiritual path with courage and clarity, trusting in the universe's wisdom to illuminate our path forward. But what about the mighty 444? This powerful number symbolizes protection and support from our spiritual guides and guardians. When we encounter 444, it's as if the universe envelops us in a comforting embrace, reassuring us that we are never alone and that divine assistance is always within reach, ready to guide and protect us on our journey. And finally, we come to the transformative energy of 555. This dynamic number heralds major life changes and transitions, signaling a period of growth, expansion, and evolution. Whether it's embarking on a new career path, concluding a relationship, or embracing our authentic selves, 555 encourages us to embrace change with courage and confidence, knowing that it is the catalyst for our soul's evolution. But let's move beyond theory. Let's explore real-life anecdotes and personal experiences to illustrate the profound impact of these numerical patterns. Imagine this. You're at a crossroads in your life, uncertain of which path to take when suddenly you start encountering 555 everywhere you turn. It's on the clock, on license plates, even in random conversations with friends. Initially dismissed as mere coincidence, the accumulating synchronicities ignite a sense of excitement and anticipation within you. And then, like a bolt of lightning, clarity strikes. You realize that these repeating numbers are guiding you towards a bold new chapter in your life, encouraging you to embrace change and step into your power with confidence. Now that we've unveiled the mystical meanings behind common numerical patterns, it's time to translate that cosmic wisdom into action. Inspired by Dolores Cannon's teachings, let's delve into powerful techniques for harnessing the energy of recurring numbers and manifesting our deepest desires. Firstly, let's explore the transformative practice of meditation and visualization. As Cannon often stressed, unlocking the power of numerical synchronicities requires us to quiet the mind and connect with higher consciousness. Through meditation, we create a sacred space for receiving divine guidance and insights, tuning into the subtle whispers of the universe. By incorporating visualization techniques, we vividly imagine our dreams and desires as if they were already materializing before our eyes, amplifying the power of our intentions. Next, let's harness the creative power of affirmations and intentions. According to Cannon, our thoughts and words shape the reality we experience. By crafting affirmations aligned with our deepest desires, we reprogram our subconscious mind and magnetize our reality towards the outcomes we seek. Whether it's love, abundance, health, or success, speaking our desires into existence with unwavering faith and conviction sets the stage for manifestation. And let's not overlook the importance of journaling to track numerical synchronicities and their corresponding events or insights. As Cannon advised, our experiences are breadcrumbs leading us towards greater understanding and self-discovery. By documenting our encounters with recurring numbers and reflecting on the synchronicities that unfold, we gain valuable insights into the workings of the universe and our spiritual journey. So, dear seekers, I encourage you to experiment with these techniques in your spiritual practices. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or just beginning your journey, remember that the power to manifest your dreams lies within you. When you encounter recurring numbers, embrace them as cosmic gifts, guiding you towards your highest potential and fulfillment. The adventure awaits. Are you ready to embark on the journey of a lifetime? Now let's immerse ourselves in real-life stories that vividly demonstrate the transformative power of numerical synchronicities. These narratives are not merely anecdotes, but profound illustrations of how paying attention to cosmic messages can deeply impact our lives. Let's meet Sarah, a young woman who had felt trapped in her career, unsure of her true passion. One day, amidst her social media scrolling, she noticed the clock striking 11:11, a number that had been appearing frequently in recent weeks. Intrigued, she delved into the concept of numerical synchronicities and began interpreting these recurring numbers as signs from the universe guiding her towards her true purpose. In a matter of months, Sarah found herself at a pivotal moment, debating whether to pursue her lifelong passion for photography or remain in her uninspiring job. As she wrestled with this decision, the constant presence of 11:11 reinforced her belief in her chosen path. Encouraged by these synchronicities, Sarah took a leap of faith and enrolled in a photography course, fully committing to her creative journey. The outcome? Remarkable. Sarah not only discovered fulfillment in photography, but also attracted opportunities and connections aligned with her aspirations. From securing dream clients to showcasing her work at prestigious galleries, Sarah's life underwent a profound transformation. All thanks to the guidance she received from the universe through those recurring numbers. Now let's turn to John, a skeptic turned believer. Initially dismissive of numerology, John's perspective shifted when he began noticing the number 444 appearing everywhere he looked. Intrigued, he delved into its significance and experienced a profound change in his mindset. No longer adrift, John felt a sense of peace and reassurance, trusting in unseen forces guiding him. Empowered by this newfound faith, John made bold decisions in his personal and professional life, confident in the universe's support. These stories, among many others, serve as potent reminders of the transformative power of recognizing and honoring cosmic messages. So, when faced with recurring numbers, embrace them as celestial gifts, guiding you towards your highest potential. The universe is speaking. Are you ready to listen? In conclusion, dear cosmic explorers, we've embarked on an enthralling journey into the realm of numerical synchronicities, guided by the timeless wisdom of Dolores Cannon. Through our exploration, we've uncovered the profound significance of these recurring numbers. They are not mere coincidences, but potent messages from the universe, beckoning us to embrace our true potential and the enchantment that surrounds us. As we decoded common numerical patterns and explored techniques for harnessing their energy, we've equipped ourselves with tools for manifesting our deepest desires and navigating our spiritual journey with courage and clarity. Yet amidst these teachings, the most compelling aspect remains the stories of individuals who have experienced profound shifts and manifestations by heeding these cosmic clues. Their journeys serve as poignant reminders of the transformative power inherent in recognizing and honoring the signs and synchronicities present in our lives. They underscore the truth that we are never alone on our spiritual path, guided by unseen forces towards our highest potential and greatest fulfillment. So, dear viewers, as we bid farewell to this cosmic odyssey, I implore you to remain open to the signs and synchronicities in your own lives. Trust that the universe speaks to you in mysterious ways, guiding you towards your dreams and aspirations. Thank you for joining me on this voyage of spiritual discovery. If today's exploration resonated with you, I invite you to reflect on your own experiences and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue to delve into the infinite mysteries of the universe and unlock the magic within each of us together. Until we meet again, may the cosmic winds carry you towards your deepest desires and wildest dreams. Blessings to you all.